Good morning. I'm a mess. Today's a messy intro. I have stuff going on. I think I'm gonna film a spring clean with me today. I'm not entirely sure. I just know that the next thing I'm gonna do after this intro is I'm gonna take a shower, do my makeup, put on normal clothes and not workout clothes, although that's still debatable because tonight I'm gonna go babysit my niece. I haven't seen her in 2 weeks, way too long for my liking. So I'm like super excited. She started saying hi, and so I can't wait to see her so she can tell me hi. And if you don't know, I'm completely obsessed with her. So I'm very, very excited that I get to see her today. Here's Loxy, your daily dose, okay? And I injured myself yesterday. So I've been going to the gym. I did not injure myself at the gym. I injured myself in the most random way possible. I was going potty and I was just simply getting up and I tweaked like right here in my like upper thigh area. It's quite painful, to be honest. I kept waking up feeling the pain. I feel okay like when I walk, like a little bit. I can't swing my leg back too much, and I can't swing my leg like out. I can't do anything. I'm not even gonna try to explain it because you're just gonna be confused if you can't really see it, but it hurts, and I'm going to lay off of it for a couple days, and hopefully by the time I go back to the gym, I'll be just fine. Okay, so yeah, I have just stuff everywhere, and I've been meaning to do a cleaning video, and I haven't gotten around to it. So that's the goal. But again, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm not gonna do any fancy filming. I'll just see you guys when all of this is completely different. So, and we're all done. I'm not wearing lipstick just because the scratch I got from Loxy is still not healed completely over, so I don't want to put anything like on top of that, which has been making my lips so super chapped. But doing my hair natural today, so it's actually still a little bit damp. And what I like to do, this is just like a trick that I do for myself, because I don't middle part anymore. I used to in my 20s, and sometimes I still do every now and then, but I kind of either part this way or this way, and I actually have decided I like my part to fall on the left side of my face. I think it's more flattering on the left than the right. But when I first start doing my hair, I part it to the right and then wait for it to dry, and then when it's dry, I flip it to the left, and it has like a lot of volume because it has been used to sitting this way, so then when you flip it the other way, it's like, whew, Texas hair, girl. Okay, so we are done. We are as snatched as it's gonna get. Oh, let me show you my outfit. It's just really casual. I have on my Ralph Lauren. I don't know if you can see the little, that's a smudge in the mirror, not in my shirt. Yeah, so I have on just this. I like to always tuck my shirt into my jeans. These jeans are really holy, but I like them. And then I'll end up wearing my polka dot shoes from Walmart when I leave the house. I try not to wear shoes in the house because I think it's not good. It's actually disgusting on a lot of levels, but I still have the habit of like wearing them, not like all day, but just when I'm trying to leave, I'll slip them on like in my room and then I walk to the front door. But I'm not gonna get into wearing shoes in the house, to each his own. I'm not judging anyone else and what they do. Girl, do you. I'm just specifically talking about me. And now I'm trying to figure out what my next step is again. Am I going to film a clean with me, or am I gonna clean just normal every day, not film wise? So I'm gonna make a decision and I'll be back. I'm at Dollar Tree, so yeah, I just realized I wanted to go. So I'm gonna go in here. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog, but let's go see what they have. I'm excited because there's always new stuff, and so far everything's still $1, so yeah, I have no idea why I just said that. I feel like I feel like I'm not gonna do Easter eggs fillers this year for my daughter, but these are some of my favorites. I love these, and I love these little carrots. These are actually, I don't know, should I get some of these? I feel like I'm not gonna do Easter eggs fillers this year for my daughter. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna go with these instead for my daughter, instead of the carrots. Yeah. So, where? Way up there. Alright, how adorable are these little dolls? They kind of remind me of Strawberry Shortcake a little bit. Like, look at their little clothes too. She has tulle. And then look at her outfit. That one's not my favorite dress, but cute. Look at her dress. I love that dress. And then of course, I'm sure you could probably take them off and interchange them. But what? How stinking adorable. Okay, is this new? Shipping tape. I've never seen this label before. They have it in multiple colors. Green, there's like orange, yellow. That's interesting. Alright, I am back from Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of stuff. It's obviously going to be in its own video on my main channel. But I did pick my next color, and dun, 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 it's gonna be purple. So I'm really excited. I have decided that I'm going to just film the cleaning stuff for this vlog. So this vlog is probably gonna be like titled Clean With Me or something like that. I just feel like I always treat like my main channel on the more not professional side, because it doesn't matter which channel I'm on. I'm always myself, but I definitely treat my main channel as my main channel, you know, the lighting, the effort, the filming locations, all of that is very strategic, and my vlogs are just laid back and just like my extra time kind of thing. But I'm just moving slow, you guys, because my leg really does hurt. And no, I shouldn't be cleaning at all. I should probably just be laying down and resting my leg. But that house really is truly, truly messy. And even a little dirty. guys, the bedroom is done, the closet is done, but the bathroom in between the world is not done. I know this is really cluttered, but I'm gathering my decor things to make over my bedroom. This is actually a little tulle skirt my daughter wore when she was like 4 years old. So I'm trying to figure out, I think I want to shadow box this and put it like on a wall or something. And that's my writing stuff, so I need to move it, but it's just here for now. Again, the rest is decor. I did get all of this space cleaned up. I wiped it down. What I do need to do is take some disinfectant spray and spray like the handles so that, you know, it's something that we touch all the time. And door handles, that was actually a cleaning thing I used to do all the time and I stopped doing it. So I need to get back into that. I tidied up my movies and such. I mean, I'm still kind of looking a little ragged. It was just kind of, you know, whatever. And this is the rest, some of the other stuff for my bedroom makeover. This is like my bedspread. It's been popping up throughout vlogs on like when I'm getting this stuff. I think I got it all on Amazon. Don't worry, when I do the bedroom makeover, I will be telling you guys exactly where every little thing is coming from. But really, as I'm bringing it in, it will be like in videos. So that stuff over there is my daughter's graduation decor. So we're gonna have a party and I've just been like gathering things. I actually need to like go through it and then do like a mock, you know, setup and see like what I'm missing, what I need to buy, because it's pretty much around the corner, you guys. She already picked up her cap and gown at school last week or this week, so we're getting there. The sheets have just been washed. I'm gonna wash them again on Sunday, so they're not quite there yet. 2 more days and then we'll get the sheets washed. But that thing over there, Loxy actually jumped on my bed and, you know, I let her sleep with me one night, so I gotta wash it and get all of her pet dander and hair off of it. Because lately I have been sleeping without her in the room and it has really been helping me with my cough and everything. So have to be careful about how often Loxy comes into the place where I sleep. And also, I don't think a lot of people know this because I don't even know if I mentioned it, but I'm actually allergic to dogs. I get these weird rashes on my wrists whenever my skin comes in contact, like that part of my skin comes in contact with dogs. So, and then I have like other reactions, like allergy reactions. So I'm technically allergic to dogs and it probably doesn't help my lung situation any. Anyway, I have the purple stuff that I've purchased so far right here. I think I'm gonna move the purple stuff into the craft room as a holding area. We're not focusing on the craft room today, but I did vacuum off camera, so room is looking a lot better. Yeah. Yep.